welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Zada and I am back again with another video. So I am so sorry for my subscribers, my few little subscribers that I have right now. I am so sorry that I have been off the map for the past couple weeks. I am a mompreneur and my schedule, y'all, has been ridiculous. So anyway, as you can see, I have a new crochet look going on and I couldn't wait to get this out to you guys to give you my first impression on these Bobbi Boss New Locks crochet braids. So I just installed these in my hair about 4 days ago. I bought them from my local beauty supply, which I'm really upset that I did that. I should have ordered online because it's way cheaper. I bet in your local beauty supply near you, they're probably trying to sell them for a little bit higher to get more profit, because these were $8.99 in the store and I saw online they were $6.99. But I was impatient. I really wanted to just get my hair done. So this is what I got what I paid for. So I ended up spending about 50 bucks and I got 7 packs. Now, let me tell you about this install. It was a struggle. For real. Initially, I tried doing the individual crochet braids, and for me, it was an epic fail. I watched maybe like 12 YouTube videos, and for some reason, it just was not working out for me and I did it exactly as they said in the tutorials, but for some reason, when I was wrapping, the faux lock kept coming undone. It just came unloose. It was poofy. I probably wasted a whole pack of hair trying to do that. So I was like, you know what? No, let me pull this out my head, take my hair down, and start over. So I just ended up doing the normal crochet method. Just braid straight back and crocheting it in. And that took me about 2 hours. So I was like, okay, let me just get this in my head, because this, I cannot spend all day on this. So anyway, this is what I came out with. Now, I will say this, the individual method to me looks so much more natural than the braided back look. So I'm going to take my hair down so you guys can see how it's looking. I know there are a million videos on these faux locks. For me, I'm a mompreneur. I am not a hairstylist. I am not any of that. I'm just somebody that is looking for easy, manageable, protective styles. For one, because I'm super busy, I'm on the go, and I have my kids to worry about. And second of all, I'm also looking for an easy hairstyle that I can wear on vacation. So those are my objectives. This is what my channel is all about. I am such a thrifty, nifty mom that I'm always looking for a good deal. I'm always looking for stuff on sale. And I'm always just, my beauty budget is like not one of the big expenses for me, because I'm always moving and stuff like that. So that's what my channel is all about. It's all about finding the best deals, the best budget for your dollar. So anyway, this is what I came out with. I did include a few accessories. I just kind of played around with putting them in. There was no real direction or style that I was going for. It was just me playing around, and I came out with these. So it's actually not that hard to add accessories, which I thought was pretty cool. I got these little gold clips, some yarn. I think the yarn was only like $1.99 at the beauty supply. It was really, really cheap. I will say that the maintenance is super easy. Like, what maintenance? What maintenance? The only thing I have to do is just tie my hair up at night. I don't even put a bonnet on with this because it's so thick. I just put on a hair scarf around my perimeter and call it a night. It's very easy to get into my hair when I'm trying to oil my scalp or spray my scalp with the braid sheen spray. It's very easy. So that's a definite bonus right there. And like I've said in my other videos, I do have thick hair, and I don't know if it's because I have a big head, but crochet styles tend to come out a lot thicker on my head. I know that I could use less hair, but with a style like this, I really wanted to cover all my braids. So one of the issues that I'm running into is trying to fit it all into a ponytail. It's really hard. Well, I wouldn't say it's really hard because the hair is soft and squishy. But I do need bigger scrunchies because me putting my hair in a ponytail has not been cool. So what I've been doing is just taking the hair and using it as a scrunchie, just kind of wrapping it around. So I would say that's one issue I've been running into. Another one is when you try to just kind of straighten the hair out, you will get a few little snags, which, I mean, you'll get something like this. I don't even know if you can see this thin little strand, but you'll get some little crackles and pops in between because of the type of fiber the hair is made from, which it's a little annoying, but I guess for the style, what you're getting, it's not that big of a deal for me. What I do love about this style is that it's not a style that you have to be like super pretty with. So I think I only applied edge control right after I styled it, and after that I just wrapped my hair at night, and I haven't put anything in this hair. I'm really excited for when it starts to loosen up and just get a little messy in the front, so that it blends a lot more and just starts to look a lot more natural, especially with this style with my with the braids, the cornrows going back. My overall thoughts about these, I would say I really love the faux lock style. I'm still getting used to it. Only been about 4 days, so I will be back with, I'll say, my 3 to 4 week update so that you can see how it's holding up. So please let me know down in the comment box if you think they look right or not. And if you guys tried them or any other brands that you think are better than the Bobbi Boss locks or whatnot that you know about, let a sister know. This is all I have for you on this hair. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming reviews. I'm always on the hunt for a good deal for your dollar when it comes to beauty products and beauty supplies and what's worth it and what's not worth it. I'm your girl. I will let you know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.